how to give Robux to people with a group. So the first thing that we want to do is click on the menu in the top left, and then we want to go into groups. Now here we will find our Roblox group, click on it, and then click on the three dots in the top right. Now select configure group. So here we will hover over the revenue tab and we want to go into payouts, and then we'll go into one-time payout. Now the first thing that we need to do is add a payout recipient. So here you can add multiple people or just one. Type out their name, find them in your group, and then click on OK. Now as you can see, immediately once we add them, you can set a Robux amount right here. So I'll just do 1 Robux as an example. You can also distribute Robux by percentage. So this is going to calculate the total percentage in your Roblox group funds. So if I do 25%, as you can see, it calculates it to be 1 Robux. And then I'm just going to go back into amount, going to send him 1 Robux. And now if I click on distribute, this will send 1 Robux to the user from the group. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.